bird's nest peptides promote skin cell proliferation and restore cell vitality. Long-term consumption of bird's nest peptide can promote the proliferation of skin cells, maintain skin moisture, reduce skin wrinkles and cracks, and restore vitality and charm. Improve immune cell vitality, promote proliferation, and better eliminate zombie cells. Birds' nest peptides are rich in sialic acid, and sialic acid has many benefits to the human body, one of which is its immune-enhancing activity, which promotes the proliferation of immune cells, so as to better remove zombie cells from the body and resist aging. Anti-inflammatory, promote collagen synthesis, protect skin. Bird's nest peptides have the potential to improve UV-induced skin photoaging and inflammatory factor-stimulated inflammation and wound damage, resulting in rapid healing effects.